going to do, my sweet friend has a lot of frizzy ends. So we're going to
really bad.
Olaplex.
Can I get an amen?
Bonding mask conditioner to close off those frizzy ends, because hair is like this. It's a strand and it has like shells,
like shingles.
So when they're frizzy, the shells are out. When you close them up, it's like a solid piece of hair. So that's what Olaplex does. A bonding mask. So we're gonna apply this first, and then we're gonna shampoo it regularly. So,
all right, y'all. I made it. I made it to the hair doc. Like, and this is a real video because I have not done anything to my hair in a week. In a week. It's a little crunchy. But it's a little bit. Okay, you ready?
all right.
Oh! It's really. Oh my God! Oh! It's bad. It's real bad.
I'm like,
I had to make it up. Yeah, I think I'm to the doctor, y'all. For
this
real.
ain't no appointment, ho. Ain't nobody in here. Hello, where y'all at?
I rented out the place.
I just realized I'm broke and they're laughing at me.
Listen, baby, I'm about strong. Oh, I'm so strong. Look at both of them. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, that's what you charge extra for coming to the shop.
Look, low key, I ain't gonna
This
lie.
is my boo. I gotta help him out. I gotta help
You
him out.
right.
So I'm here.
This spot I don't know. Honestly, I really don't know.
Oh, you do it with water and conditioner?
I put my fingers through. Well, yeah, that too.
Good.
I just be running my fingers through it.
That's what called tangling and breakage.
Well, now we know. I mean, honestly, that's the main reason I started this YouTube channel. So, like, I can hold myself accountable for working on my hair. And then, you know, hair grows. It's the Ella. I'm telling you.
This the good shit on the outside, but the middle, not the middle, the middle, dab middle. Woo.
Oh my goodness.
This is what makes you who you are, okay?
Look, I be trying to tell people I'm black. I let the top grow.
I'm gonna put you in my phone as Lakusha. Cause bitch, you didn't say this was happening, bitch.
The finished product, I don't let nobody see this part.
So we're going to detox this head first to get all of this gel out first. Then we're gonna put this, we're gonna apply Olaplex first. Yeah. And then we're gonna deposit all the moisture and the shades and the things, the shine and all that stuff. So, let's go.
Look, absolutely.
So we're gonna do detox. We're gonna detox it, get all of that gel out of there. Organic.
This is common.
We don't do sulfates.
No.
We don't do all that.
organic fruit extracts for hair.
Anybody single and know how to wash hair?
Hit them up.
Let me know. Woo!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Woo! I'm sorry.
Right now we're doing the Olaplex Bonding Conditioner to reduce the frizz. Curly hair has more follicles and more deposits than straight hair. Straight hair has less deposits. The hair is a little harder to dye and do other things to it. But curly hair is more receptive to everything. So we're trying to bond these frizzes together so you can give it a good pull. Going right on through this time. Beginning we was. So now we're gonna deposit some moisture because of that gel. Gel has a component. It don't say that it's alcohol, but it has a fancy word that makes it sense. Alcohol. This hair is long.
It is really long.
This is long. Bitch, it ain't this long in that fucking bun. That bun be tucked, bitch. This is. I'm sitting here like, wow. This is out the mold. What in the ancient made me?
So we washed my hair.
You wash clothes.
Amazing.
You shampoo hair.
Shampooed. It was shampooed. The cuticles.
Oh, yes! So we're using bonding oil. Not every oil saturates the hair and make it like heavy. Some oils oxidize. So it's going to, again, mend the residue of, no, the remnants of what the conditioner did. Amino acids kind of keep the scalp circulation going. It keeps the hair vibrant and shining for a very, very long time.
This would definitely. I need to get this done before like spring, summer, fall. Without the heavy duty on me.
I was gonna bring the fancy dicing out.
I need the old school.
I just gotta do the black shit. At all, look at that. Jesus. Woo.
Your boy got the inches.
So now that we got this hair blown out, so we're gonna cut about 1.5 inches off.
Oh my god.
Make sure. So what I just did there was over directing. Pull it back. Everything is even. See that? Yes. So know, it's ways that you do things. Because I was teaching one of my interns how to cut hair. She was like, oh my God, because I had to cut her hair short here. But she thought that the whole short was supposed to go down the side. If you're doing long hair, this if you had hair here,
Right.
then you would go to the side, take the shortest point, and cut it like that.
Right.
Which yours is already like that because it's on top. So I would cut this shape for here, so
Right.
she can keep her length. Boom.
This might have been 2 years at this point. I tried to cut my own hair, the ends. Not cut, trim the ends. It wasn't the worst, but it wasn't good because my hair was very uneven. Your hair is uneven.
And your hair is uneven.
My hair was uneven, and I had to hide it in the bun for the longest time.
Good shampoo and some good product. Change your life.
The hair doctor will change it. People, especially on YouTube, are scared. Like they will not put a hair dryer, a flat iron to their hair.
Okay,
but I feel like
speak
it's
on that.
Yeah, you
on
speak. You speak.
So here's the take on that. When you are a person that is trying to reserve your curl, you have to invest into the right products, like the product that I put on your hair, because I knew that I was going to blow it out. I knew that I was going to flat iron it.
Right.
So with those products, with that type of service, you need to have the good products. So as far as mask and neutralizing your hair and stuff, because neutralizer brings your hair back down to its natural state. You need that when you're flat ironing your hair. A lot of people don't know that. Neutralizer brings the pH down, so it makes your curl looser. When you flat iron it, it gets it super straight. When you wet it again, your hair is not affected. You put a mask on it first, which is what I did first.
Yes.
And then you deposit all the good stuff in it. So anybody that's dealing with, that want to do the whole natural thing, you got 4C curl and all of that stuff. It's cool. You just have to invest in the right products, like Olaplex, a mask. This mask protects it from everything that you're going to do to it. That's why we put it on first. That's it on there. And I say what I say because that's what I said.
I'm going to say what we said.
Come up and say, oh fuck! Oh!
We just finished doing a masking treatment by Olaplex. For all the girls that are scared to straighten their hair out, with totally fine. Just make sure when you're doing those things, make sure you do the masking treatments, because that's what coats your hair. You gotta use the right product. Okay? And that's just that and that. And we flat ironed it, and it's a natural shine. I didn't use any shining products. I went in and just, because I know I'll use good products. And this is the natural shine on his good old hair. Period. And that's just that on it. And we trim them ends. You see this natural fall up in there.
We're about to be out of here. TheHairDoc.org. Instagram is TheHairDoc. I think, right?
Yeah.
TheHairDoc on Instagram. Go to his website, check his Instagram. come to the salon.
Come on. 'Cause I'm located in Beltsville, Maryland.
Come through, drive up, catch the bus, catch a Uber, catch a Lyft, however you need to get here. Cousin Day Day could drop you off. It
Just
don't
pull
matter.
up on me.
Pull up. Pull up. What's that good song? But yes, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll link all of the information down below in the description. And hopefully I'll be back soon with another video doing something. Really keeping this hair together, you know?
Zip.
Stick where?